So, are you tired of watching videos like this that promise to make you $1,000 a day? Well, don't worry, because today I'll be showing a realistic way of making money by using OpenAI's ChatGPT. In this video, I will show you how to develop APIs with ChatGPT and how you can use these to make a recurring monthly income by selling them on Rapid API. So check this out. Rapid API provides access to APIs for developers who don't have the budget to make the APIs themselves. There are many APIs in this website like the weather APIs, sports APIs, and flight data APIs. However, in our case, to generate code using ChatGPT, we'll be doing something much more simpler. That is generating a QR code generator using ChatGPT. So check this out. So even though QR code generators are pretty easy to build, many developers would rather use an API to generate the QR code for them because it's much more easier. And as you can see, this API is a freemium. It has the option for $0 a month for the basic, and the mega one even goes for $100 a month. So we'll be generating something similar to this using ChatGPT. So as you can see, ChatGPT, I'll be pasting in a prompt here. I'll make sure to provide the prompt in the description as well. And now, just like that, ChatGPT provides us the code that we can use to publish onto Rapid API. And if you actually make any changes to the code, make sure to be specific with ChatGPT on what changes you'd like. And soon, ChatGPT will provide us with the whole code, which we can copy and paste into Rapid API for our use. So now all you want to do is, just scroll up and press copy code, open a new notepad file and paste the code. And now since I already did this, I don't need to save it in my computer. I can just close this window, open a new command prompt window, and change my current folder to downloads because that's where I saved the Python file. Next, I run Python and I write the file name. And make sure to save the file as anything other than qrcode.py because the name QR code messes with the functioning of the program. Now I press enter. And this is just to test whether the program works fine on my computer so I can host it on the cloud. Next, I'll close this, go back to ChatGPT, and use the test URL which ChatGPT has given me. I'm going to copy this, open a new window and paste it. I'm going to type in my URL as google.com, and you can use any other URL to test your program. My fill color as blue and back color as black. And before running the URL, make sure to remove this generate QR code in the front. This seems to interfere with the program. I don't know why ChatGPT has given it, but again, the AI is not perfect, so it makes some mistakes. Remove this and press enter. And now it should download a new file here. As you can see, it's blue and black, just like the code. So to host our API on the cloud, I'll be using Python Anywhere, but you can use other alternatives like Google Firebase or Amazon Cloud Hosting, etc. After you sign up to Python Anywhere, you're going to press Add a new web app on the here, and you're going to press Next. Choose Flask, Python 3.9, and press Next. Now let's just wait for this to load. So then after it opens up, you're going to scroll down till you find code over here. Go to source code and press go to directory. Open flask underscore app.py. Delete the code that's already here. Open the notepad file where you saved your code previously. Copy the code and paste it. Now just press save and go back to my site. Next, what I'm going to do is go to web and simply reload the server. Now after the loading bar is gone, just copy this URL, open a new page, paste it, put / text, and here I already done it before. You just have to type this out. I'll provide this in the link in the description. Put this over here and press enter. And now the QR code should download, and let's open the QR code. As you can see, generated. Now let's try some other URL, for example, instagram.com, and change the back color to yellow, for example, and it still works. As you can see, the QR code generator is different. What we're going to do is go back to Rapid API and press add a new API, write some name and description. And then for the category, you can just choose anything. You can choose other, add API project, Let this load, and now go to hub listing, scroll down, and turn on the API project to public and confirm. Add the base URL from the previous Python Anywhere website, and make sure to add HTTP at the front of the base URL. And now save it. Now you're going to go to endpoint at the top, scroll down, and create a REST endpoint. Any name and description will suffice for now. You can make edits later. So now you're going to type in text for the string here to specify the URL. Make sure this is required. And next is the color and fill color and back. Make sure to add this. And make sure not put this required for this one because text will suffice. You don't need to force the user to enter fill and back color. Next, scroll down and save this. Next, what you're going to do is go to view in hub. And then wait for this to load. And then you're going to press test endpoint to test the API to see if it works. And as you can see, it's 200, which means a success. And now if we're going to monetize this, go back to the previous page and press monetize. And here's all the monetization options. There's the basic, there's a rate limit, and also you can charge extra if they go over the limit. There's basic, pro,